All right, so let's start over here. Sorry, guys, my other computer just crashed on the members. And unbelievable. Seriously, $3,000. My other computer's an Alienware too. Unbelievable. Totally crashed on the members while we were doing a live stream. How can these computers be such a hunk of junk? All right, I'm uploading that computer. So you guys are in for a treat here. All right, so this is what we've got. Let's bring up our latest charts we've got over here. So this is kind of what we're going over in the members area. Everybody, I'll bring up my members area charts. All right, here we go. So this is our members area chart that we have right here. This is it's our 1 hour, 12-hour chart, right? So here's the challenge with this chart right here. Oh my God, my TRX trade is out of freaking control right now, but we'll get back to that in a second, okay? So here's what we're watching. This is kind of what our call is in our members area. We said, I'm going to wait for this 12-hour candle to close out. I'm also watching for this to break the 70 area to pull a long scalp here. I mean, we're right on the cusp of breaking out here or creating a double top. If this creates a double top, your target is going to be right back down here. You're going to come back down to 6520, 6500 area. This is where you're going to drop to. So this is just, I mean, we're just getting rejected. And if you guys in the members area, you know, as you go back, we have this just money chart right here, right? So here's our money chart. Take a look at this thing in the members area. So this is what you guys get to see is look at how every time, see these arrows? See all these arrows right here? And you see all the arrows over here? So look at all these arrows right here. Every time this comes up and touches with the blue arrows, the 70 level on your RSI, it gets rejected, and it gets rejected really hard, right? So every one of these arrows represents a touch of the 70 on the 1 hour. We're talking the 70 level of the RSI on the 1 hour. So every single time it does that, it gets the slap back, right? So your slap back. Now we're over here, we're watching really tight in this area. And we have one of two things. Oh my God, I'm watching my TRX trade. It's going through the roof. I'm going to have to take profit on this thing soon. So this is what we're watching. We're watching this as it's breaking over the 70, but it has to break this double top. If this creates a double top right here, right? If this creates a double top right here, this thing is going to it's going to dump pretty hard and pretty ugly, right? So we just got to break the double top, all right? So, Leah, hold on a second. Yope is messaging me. All right. Okay, so sorry, Yope is over there messaging me. So I want to show you guys my TRX trade, okay? And then we're going to do ETH, and we'll do ETH real quick, and we'll do this. Like, this is my ETH trade. I mean, this is my BTC trade. Jeez, I mean, TRX, sorry. Confused right now. I'm delirious. Only 3 hours of sleep. Wow. Absolutely insane. Like, I have made well over a BTC on this trade already, and this thing keeps going up. I mean, I can't even imagine. I haven't looked at my trade. Now, I did buy the dip. I only bought back a little bit, so I sold the 500K right here. I had 560K Tron. I sold them right here at the top. It dipped back down. When it dipped back down, I was like, I said, all right, and I told everybody I was going to buy the dip. It got right back up here, and I'm like, all right, this is too far, and I bought back in right here, and now it just totally moondiculared out on us right here. So I've only picked up another 300,000 TRX. I'm still sitting on my million TRX trade. We are at the 0.88, so this is just crazy. So if you look at your fib lines, we've come all the way back up here to the 0.88. And you've got very heavy resistance right here at this level. You got the 761, the 618 of the previous drop. You've also got the 0.88 of this drop right here. So we've just come back an absolute insane amount of retracement here. All right, looking at our ETH. Here's our ETH, and I'm going to update the ETH chart for everybody. This thing better update. It better have all the information stored on it for members. All right, perfect. Okay, good. So here's the members version Right? This is the members version of this, and this is kind of what we're looking at. You can do it. You can take a look at this ETH right here. Look at ETH. This top 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, this looks like a wave 4 to me. This looks like a wave 4 looking for a wave 5. I mean, this just kind of plays out really well, and you got to scoot this one over here. Now, you can't cut off this wick. It can come up into this wick range right here. This is why I went over here, and I'm like, all right. I mean, this plays out really good. Like there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1, 2. This is looking for the wave 3 here. Right, it's looking for the wave 3, and if this is if we're really close right here because BTC can't break through, right? Well, let me peek at Doggy. Oh, Doggy's dumping out. That's dangerous for BTC. Okay, so if this breaks this area, see this, break this in this bullish. If you break up here, you break over this little area. This is extremely bullish right here because now you've broken, you've wrecked this opportunity at this being a bear count. This is kind of where you invalidate the bear count right here. You invalidate your bear count right breaking this area. Okay, your bear count goes out the window and you completely go bullish and your targets are, then you have to jump back here. Right, you got to jump over here, and this is what you got to do. You got to jump way over here. You got to take this fib way up here. You got to find it. Where are you? Where are you? All right, I'm just going to delete that. Then that's fine. We'll make a new one. And I'm going to go here to pull us all the way down. Where was our bottom right there? Okay. Then things get really interesting, right? If you break this right here, right? If you break this right here, these are your targets, right? Now this is if you break this area, right? Super, super critical, right? So we're going to write that on here, right? So you got to, if you break, what's this? Let's just call this right here 260, let's call this 260 right up in here, right? 267 even, yeah, right, but 267-ish, right there, 267. So I'd say you break 267. We're going to type that in here. Break 267 and the bearish count is invalid, right? Then your targets are 300, target 1. All right, so then, so we're going to bullish targets are 300 and 341. Right? These would become your bullish targets right here. If you break this, but you have to break this. Okay, so here we go. This is bullish target 1. We're going to make that green. Bullish target 2. Right? So there you go. This is our updated ETH chart right here. Okay, I'm going to take it over here. And sorry, I gotta drop this in the members area. Okay, so there's your updated. Let's take a look at our Tron. Something says I gotta take profit. Better Tron, bear division. Oh yeah. Oh, it's happening now. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Danger, danger, danger. Let's go back over here on our Tron. Okay, I mean, we've packed the 818 right there. How do you get a trend line out of this thing? Let's see if we can get some kind of trend line here. Right, something like that. Right, there's that right there. And there you go. There you are. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to take some profit on my Binance trade right now. I'm just going to do this live while I'm on here with you guys. I am going to take some profit from my Binance trade. I do have a stop limit set. I just canceled that. And listen, we break out over this. That's great. That's awesome. We break out over this. I still have my other trade open, but it's just freaking insane, right? It's insane. Just amazing. So I still have, but I'm going to pull profit off the table on my Binance account. So, Jesus, I just made a killing on that one. I'm going to do a limit sell. Let's see how much we can get here. Damn. 2.5 cents. Whoo, there's some big orders coming in. Boy, the order books on Tron, there's a big FOMO order coming in right now for 2 million. 1 million. Wow, some big orders coming in on the Tron order books. Let's go back over. I want to see how BTC is doing. Right? It's doing it. Come on, you break out, BTC. Break out. Okay, so I'm just going to watch this. We've got 32 minutes left in this. We're so close to breaking out right here, right? Now we have got to push up and out of this box, right? We got to push up and out of this box because when I count this out, and if you take out this wick, this kind of looks like a 1, 2, and then this is wave 3. 1, 2, 3. We really haven't done a 4. God, we really haven't done a 4 right here. Right? It's harder to count this out than it is ETH. ETH counts out nice and pretty. Right? ETH counts out super nice and pretty. So look, here was my members. I said, hey, listen, wait for this to play out. You got 3 hours and 30 minutes. They said this has got to break up over this right here. Right? This has got to break up. You got to break up out of this box right here. Show me you've got the Gahutzpah. Because even then you could count this as like a wave. Even if this is a wave 3 right here, like you did a wave 1, right? 2 and then 3, and this is maybe you couldn't even do that. This would have to be your wave 1. This has got to be your wave 3 here. So this is looking like your wave 3. Now you're way, I'm sure you could get real. I don't even think you can get deep in this thing on the 1 hour chart. 1, 2. I mean, I really can't even count. Well, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you're wick to wick. And then 5, extended wave 5 possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, running into your wave 5. Or is this a wave 3 to 4? And it's pumping up. I mean, we're about to find out right here. This is a nice little break. Come on, we're so close. We're so close to breaking out. We're so close to breaking out. What are the sats? I haven't sold my Tron yet. I'm still sitting on it. Let me pull up my other Tron order here. Jesus Christ. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm at 121% on my Tron trade right now. Okay, so we're just going to watch this for just a second and kind of see. So what I'm watching for is I'm just waiting to see if this breaks. I want to see this break right here. This has got to stay up over the 70. It's got 29 minutes to stay over and close over the 70. right? And we've got to break up out. We got to get a good legitimate break right here of this 6800. Now, I still think you've limited topside here, right? So I was calling for a retracement. We got a retracement, not deep enough, definitely not a deep. I thought we were going to get more of a retracement. And then, you know, I was saying buy the dip. And then, you know, we got a retracement. Now it's a very shallow retracement. We're coming back up. So this is bullish. Having this very shallow retracement is a bullish retracement. And TRX just keeps going. And TRX keeps going. Come on. You can do it. All right, a break of the wedge line. It's going to put this, I mean, this is already a bullish. Right? If this is your 1, 2, if you're counting this a 1, 2, 3, this is just completely blown out. I mean, this is totally blown out on Tron over here. There's just no way. You can't count this as a, so I mean, there's just no way that's a 5 wave. So you got to get rid of that. Ah, this is, how do you count this though? Big wedge, big giant wedge maybe. Right, it blew out the wedge though, so you can't count it like this. You can't do, I mean, maybe you could do body to body right here. Right, you could do like a body to body wedge right there. And then that would be your limit. But I mean, you've tapped all this resistance in. You look, you got a historical 9 resistance right there. You've got the 618. You've got the 88. You've got all this historical resistance right here. Yeah. So Yop is just saying, hey, watch out. Bearish division. And let's go back over here. I want to take a look at my, okay, come on. Now, if we cannot break up over this, this is going to be trouble because this is looking like a double top right here. This is very double toppy. This has got to smash this out. Otherwise, it's going to turn into a double top here. And then there's your double top target down below. 4 hour. Okay, let's take a look at the RSIs. So let's look at the RSI over here. RSI in the, so there's a 2 hour snapshot of your RSI right there. We're gonna go do a 4 hour next. So there's 2 hours, still holding strong. Right, there's the 2 hours, still lots, still looking good. I mean, if this falls, it's going to fall hard and come back and test this right here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Same thing, same exact, look at that. There's perfect on the 4 hour. In fact, we're going to scrunch this up on the 4 hour right there. So a little tighter. You're definitely going, you're getting a little tighter on the 4 hour. I'll probably play that there. And I'll play that there. You're getting really tight on the 4 hour RSI. So there's your 4 hour RSI. Super, super tight. Absolute just vertical takeoff here, right? This thing just took off. Insane takeoff. We're doing really good. Let's go back. I want to check the check our other charts. Yeah, like, so here's the thing. You've got this candle. If this comes back down here and closes right here on the 12 hour, if this gets rejected, comes back down and closes at 67.54 or 67.45 and 3 hours, right? This thing has to break up over here and it can't come down. It has to break up over and it can't come down. It has to break up over and close up here. Right? Otherwise, if this closes down here, it's going to make either a hanging man, a wicked, wicked hanging man, And then if you come back over here and you look at our 12-hour chart, you'll see our resistance levels, right? Look at this, tapped right there, perfect. It's trying to tap right there, perfect. If it taps and dumps, this was a big dump right here. Here's where that tap was, right here, and there's your dump. Okay, so we're right at that same resistance on the RSI level. So our RSI levels are right here. You're also just tickling your 5.0. You're tickling your 5.0. You've got a bunch of fibs. So this is really this is like the rubber's meeting the road right here. Okay, I'm going to go back to my 1 hour chart because we're just seeing if we can break this, this 70. Okay, there we are. So look, we got the retracement, looking for last push up, just to see if the bulls got anything left in them. And this has been a long run right here, very long run, really great run. Oh. So close, 23 minutes left to close out this candle. Rejection again. Possible rejection for a third time. 1, 2, 3. I bet you if you really pull this thing down into like a 30-minute chart. Yeah, see this? Boom. Look at this, is double top-ish. Double top-ish right there, right? We don't want to see this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is looking like it's trying to make a little baby 5 wave here, right? If you go into your 3 hour, like right 1, 2, 3, there's your ABC. So if this is the top of your 3, boom, boom, boom. Then you go wave 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4. It's trying to pull off a wave 5 right here. But if it's got to break out because this is such a baby wave 5 in here. You got to really, this is just trying to look at this little cute little baby. It's so cute. It's just a little baby wave 5, right? Right, it's trying to do that right there. If this is what it's going to do, let me make this bigger. Right, because it's clearly made, look, you pegged out a perfect ABC. A, B, C. Great ABC right there. Right? And then you trying to knock out this 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Like a little 5 right here, maybe something like this. Trying. See, it got rejected there. If it got rejected there, so there's this. This might be a double top. Very double top-ish. Right, because there's that. There's your pullback. This would have been your start to your wave 5 right here. Right? Is this the wave 3 of your wave 5? But this is double top-ish right here. Okay. Just got to make one more little push up. Oh, man, holy Jesus, Lord. Tron just died out of the ceiling. Son of a bitch. All right. Damn it. I didn't catch the top of Tron. Damn it. And I was sitting here watching it. Gosh damn. Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now. Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now for not catching the top of that right there. Oh, it's absolutely brutal. Oh, I had it. I had it. I had the top. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. No way. Oh, my God. That was, oh, it was right there. It was just right there. Yeah. Oh, I'm so bummed right now. I am so bummed right now. Ah, I'm so bummed. Can I get a little pushback up to get out of this thing? Come on, TRX. Give me a little baby push up. Little baby push up. Okay, one more. Come on, just give me one more little push up and I will get out of this trade. I'm at 100% right now. Okay, I am going to... All right, come on, get back up there. Get back up there. Just one more time. Let me just take you back at the 8-8. Okay, I'm going to start to ladder out of my Tron trade right here, I think, okay? So I'm going to ladder out of my Tron trade. Jesus, what a killing. I mean, an absolute killing. Yep. So I'm going to take off 300,000. I'm going to take off 300K of my Tron trade right now at 100%. Come on, take it. Done. All right. So I took off 300K of my Tron trade. I'm at port 64 BTC. All right, I've only got, listen, even if this thing goes a little bit higher, I'll be fine. I'm just going to get back in. All right, come on, give me one little push up. Now, if this thing goes down, I need to adjust my stop losses right up here. I need to get my stop loss way up here, right, to take me out way up here. Going over my stop loss, I'm going to adjust my stop loss real quick here. I'm probably going to put my stop loss up to 360 sats. Right, and okay, done. But if this thing jumps right back up, if this thing can jump right back up here, I'm going to cash out right here, okay? I'm just going to take it off the table. It can still run up a little bit. Even if this thing runs up, I can always jump back in. Damn it. Let's go over and take a look at our ETH real quick. Sorry guys, I'm watching two screens at the same time. Here's our ETH. Okay, there's our ETH right there. Yep, weak. Our ETH is weak. Let's run through our BTC charts real quick. There you go. On the daily, your Tenkan line is acting as resistance. 12-hour, same thing. Your Kaijun acting as resistance. Now this can break through. Look, you do have a cross right here. You do have a cross. Look at how high your Stoke is. Your Stoke is absolutely insane. This is bullish. When your Stoke gets up here this high, listen, this is bullish, right? Your Stoke gets up here this high. Yeah, that was pretty ugly right there. Okay, what are we on the 12-hour? Bad. Just so high. We're so high right here. 12-hour just printed out. So we're on a 5 candle, right? Now, all right, so let me show you this. This pattern, usually when this pattern plays out where the 3 is low, right? The 3 is way down here and then the 5 is up top like that. It's usually a bullish continuation pattern, right? So usually when the 3 is down here and the 5 is up there, it is a bullish continuation pattern. I know I can show you where that's happened. I know it happens over on the daily. Let's see if we can find it over here. There it is. Look, look, look. 3, 5, and then it just keeps going. The 6 keeps going. So your next candle is critical. I mean, this thing could take off. This thing could still take off again. I mean, you could be looking at, man, this is this thing could really take off here because of this pattern and how this plays out, right? So let me grab this right here. I need to drop this over the members area. On the TD is bullish, right? Now, does this thing like to fall out on 5s? Yes, it does. 3, 5, die, right? 3, 5, die. Here was your run up. 3, 5. You got to be yikes, right? Look, here was our 9. So we did the 9 already. We printed the 9. You came off the bottom. You printed the green 9. It fell back down. Then you ran up, you did your 3 took off, right? And it hold on a second, and okay, your 3 took off. I had to delete a message in the chat. I need to go over here. I need to load my BTC chart 2. All right, so my Ichi chart 2. Alright, let's go over here. The 12-hour. I don't need any of this down here. I need this on here. I need my indicators on here. Come on. TD. There we go. Okay. Come on, just get off there. Garbage. All right, so 5, 9, 3, right? 9, 3, 5. Okay. All right, there's that right there. Sorry, I got a vacuum running in the background. And all right. So this all depends on the next candle, right? This is either where it's make or break on this next candle right here. So we're going to see what happens. You've got, like I said, wait. See how this look? This never broke. This was a double top right here, turned into a tweezer top candle and died. All right. So you've got, this bullish, this five ran up pretty strong. This five just is not. You still have a lot of time though. You have a lot of time for this to run up. But you see right now that it's trapped. Totally trapped right there. It's making a cross. So look, you're making a cross. Your 20 is coming under your... Ooh, that is not bearish. That is not bullish. That is bearish. It is bearish. Look, last time the 20 crossed under the Tenkan line, it just dumped out right there. Let me confirm this. I just want to confirm this. I want to see where this is done this one other time. Okay, there it is. There it crossed under. It's bearish. Not that bearish. Crossed under and died. All right, so when the 20 crosses from the bottom over the Tenkan line, it is bearish. All right, when the 20 crosses from under the Tenkan line, it's bearish. All right, so we're about to get a cross. It hasn't crossed yet. It is not crossed yet, but this is a bearish cross. Oh, thank God I sold out some of my TRX. Oh, I'd be so unhappy. Oh, yes. Great sell. Good job, Vamp. Good job, Vamp. Nothing better than doing this shit live. All right, and so I took a nice chunk of profit on. I am right now, let's see where this thing is at. I am 9 sats away from getting blown out of this trade. Right, I'm actually going to move my stop loss up a little bit too. I'm going to scoot my stop loss up. So right now I'm at, right now it's at 369, 370 sats. I'm at 360. 360. Let's open up a new chart. So we're going to open up a new chart. We're going to load a chart here. Actually, no, dang it. I want a new chart. TRX, BTC. Break this down to 4 hour. Yep, okay, cool. Ooh, look at the gap there. Look at the gap. Break this down to 2 hour. 1 hour. Yeesh. 6 minutes left to close this candle out. 6 minutes to make one of the largest wicks we've made in a long time. Yeah, Daddy's taking some more profit. Daddy's about to take some more profit here. All right, and I'm going to do another sell. $300K more. I'm actually going to do a market sell right here, I think. Oh, yeah. Nope, no, what did I do? Nope, market. All right, so I filled another 300,000 contracts. Should have done it a little bit higher. Okay, so I've got another 300K contracts sitting open right now. Got another 300,000 contracts sitting open. I think I'm going to burn them. I'm just going to set a stop loss on them. I'm just going to get taken out on them. That's it. There's nothing else I can do. All right, so I'm going to cancel. I mean, I'm about to get blown out of this trade. that. And oh yeah, there it goes. Ooh, double toppy! Double toppy! I'm out. Peace! I'm out. I just sold. All right. There we go. I'm out. Wow, what a Tron trade. Right? What a Tron trade. Whoa, man, what a Tron trade. Nice. Nice. God, I made well over a BTC on that trade. All right, let's try to count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've kind of blown that out. We are kind of double topish right here. We got to be real careful. Okay, so listen, you just let this candle play out. You don't have to do anything. Just let this candle play out right here. Okay, that's it. That's all you got to do. Yep. Actually, I've got 100,000 TRX left open. I got 100,000 left open. All right, I'm going to set a stop loss on my 100K left. I got a little bit of it, and let's go over here. I'm just going to put it at like 350 sats, right? I'm already so high up in profit in this thing. Yeah, I'm going to stick at 350 sats. Just one. Got 100K left. There we go. All right. So it's all right, perfect. So that stop is set. All right, so now I'm just going to kind of chill out. I'm going to wait 3 hours, and I'm just going to kind of see where this this takes us, right? Where this takes us, because this thing just completely just pooped out on us right here. All right, and let's take a look at our 1 hour. This is kind of the chart we've been walking. Yep, look at that. That was it, right? Never broke the 70. There's it. Never broke the 70. Okay? Now, if this is a double top, this is where this can fall to, right? You're breaking the wedge. You broke the double top right there. And here we go. All right, everybody. Excellent day. Excellent. Now, listen, I would don't FOMO back into a trade here. You can just kind of chill out. I still think there's an opportunity. I still think this is bullish. We're going to have one more push back up. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I want to see a bounce. I want to see a bounce here. Give me a bounce here, and then let's play this trade one more time. I still think this has the potential to go up as long as we don't break this. Getting down here, breaking this right here is very bearish, right? You break this, and this is really in trouble. You're in a lot of trouble right here. I'm gonna scoot that up. Right, this is the very bearish version. So if this can hold on and give us one little ride back up, that's great, you know. And you can just buy the dip here. You can definitely buy the dip. Pull this back here. Oh yeah, this Tron candle is really wicked. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Like I said, patience. Patience is your biggest ally right here. And just wait. Listen, there's no need to FOMO here. There's no need to FOMO into any kind of a trade, right? You don't need to FOMO into a long or a short right here. because this told us that this is going to go back up, right? This right here says that we are going to go back up. Every time it breaks over like this, see this? Every time it breaks over like this right here, it comes down, it rallies, and then it pops back up. Ooh, look at that dip. There it goes. There it goes. And nothing better than calling this live on video. Nothing better than calling this double top live. Come on, get down there. Ooh, TRX ain't moving. Tron ain't even moving. Tron don't even care. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Tron just started dying. All right, so here's my target, right? Are you about to break? Yeah, the second it breaks this has just gone straight bearish. I don't think I have any BTC, do I? I gotta see what I got for BTC. All right, so listen, this has got to break this. Otherwise, this still can qualify, right? This is a wave 1. Yeah, this would be your wave whatever 3 to 4. This would be your wave 1, 2, 3. Now this violates that if that's a wave 4 right there. Boy, if this makes a big hanging man candle right here, this is going to be super ugly. So we were not able to break out over this right here. We were not able to break that. So this is your critical level. You've got to break this previous higher high right here. Okay, you got to break this previous higher high. Good call, Peak. Dude, seriously, we have Peak over here. Peak is just crushing it in our group. Okay, you got to watch this candle setup right here. This is the critical candle setup, because if you move this out of the way a little bit, you see it's a hanging man right there. If you make a hanging man here on this candle right here, it's extremely bearish. Oh, the struggle is real. Yeah, this thing is just going to keep going. Yeah, this is a hell of a dump right here. I wonder if you can really dig into that kind on a wave 5. All right, so there you go, people. I would just hold on. I wouldn't go long. I wouldn't go short. I wouldn't go anything right now. I wouldn't FOMO. I mean, I think that, oh yeah, let's go over here, the group. Oh man. I told everybody, I'm all, hey, if you're in ETH, take profit. Oh, look, ETH is good. ETH is still looking okay. Here's our ETH chart. I mean, that's not so bad, right? Yeah, yeah. Right, you could still, there's still a rally here. You could still come down here and then pop back up one more time. Or this could be it, right? This could be the 5. So I hate to, I'm going to throw another, sorry, this is our members chart, 2, 3. I still think this could possibly, you know, this could possibly play out right there. Right there, this could be it. I don't see a 5 in here. I don't see a 5 in here, right? I don't see a 5 in there, but we'll see what happens. And then let's see. Yep, so there we got that. I'll change this color of this just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's all I got for everybody. Thank you guys so much. Great little session here. And I don't know if I'm going to be back on for the rest of the day. We'll see, though. I've been in the members area like crazy playing, making some good money, just waiting for these calls to rock out. Like I said, let's play it safe here, right? There's no need to FOMO in. Buy the dip. You can always buy the dip. All right, yeah, let's go look at our 1 hour candle. Man, look at the 1 hour TRX candle. Look at this wick right here. Look at that insane wick on TRX on the 1 hour. Look at that baby. Wow. That's a crazy wick right there. Okay.